at Ahearn's MX for 2022 JBR Best Whip. There's been a ton of work going into making this thing happen. This year we really wanted to up the ante, and it's great having a title sponsor like Ahearn equipment. You know, it just kind of goes hand in hand.
I could definitely build me about a 69-foot jump with this bastard right here.
Having the machines now here for JBR Best Whip was a huge key to making this event bigger and better for this year. This year we really stepped it up, having multiple X Games riders, the fan favorite Ronnie Mack.
You know, that's the thing, is all these people have these things, they prep to get ready, but I got this thing called natural talent.
It's all about the approach and into the ramp, and once you can get that good pull off the ramp, the rest is kind of just there for you. You know, it's up to you after that to make the motions happen.
I don't care just like how feet, you know, how far is this, I don't care. Always look at the sky, always do the backwards, always look at the people, you know.
I mean, once the crowd gets in here, it's a whole different story. I thrive off that crowd just screaming, and it gets you all pumped up and ready to send it.
We'll see how it goes. There's no doubt I'll be flattered to know anybody tonight.
This is my field. Let's go.